Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, my dear viewers and my friends. I welcome all of you on this channel, Pretty and Innovative Things. I hope all of you are liking the stuff and enjoying your lives. In this video, I am showing you very beautiful crochet ideas for the crochet bear keychains or crochet bear key rings. You know that key rings or keychains are a must have for all of us because we stay in our houses or we go outside, or even if you are a professional woman, you are a housewife, you are going somewhere to the market, you are everywhere, anywhere in the world, you actually need keychains because we have to lock the things, we have to keep our keys in our houses, in our hands, and it is so beautiful to have attractive keychains and attractive key rings because it adds to the beauty of our lifestyle and we look more pretty and it makes us more attractive in front of the people. We become center of attraction because of using unique things and stylish things. So it is necessary to have idea of the most fashionable things and actually the latest trends of the fashion world so that you may go for the things that are actually trendy in the world. You can see there are so many keychains with bears with different colors. Some colors are light, some colors are dark, whereas some colors are bright, and along with that there are also color combinations, color schemes with different multicolors having light and dark contrast or combinations. For example, you can see these ones are so cute. If you make these bears for your keychains, these would look so pretty, and even if you are trying to do these things to gift someone, these are actually so cute because we have to keep our keys safe and we have to keep the things in a stylish way. So if you keep your keys, for example, you have the keys of your car, or you have the keys of your house main door, or you are having the keys your office cabinet, or you are having the keys of anything else, so you have to keep the keys. It is inevitable actually. So having keys actually is necessary, and when we have something we must have that with a style, with uniqueness and with beauty. So it is about uniqueness, beauty and style, so that people may feel you as a unique person and they consider you a very stylish person, because in life we have to do so many things in a stylish way because we all love style. So I hope, my friends, you are liking this video. I request all of you to please subscribe to my channel and like my video because it is necessary to support me. I am doing a very hard work to bring these collections to you. If you please subscribe, I would be so happy and I would be so thankful to you. If you are liking these ideas, you can go for any of them. There are in front of you so many of them. Some are with pearls, some are simple, some are with some ties, some are in bright colors. For example, all these three are so cute that anyone in the world could fall in love with these. These are super cute because bears always look super cute. My friends, I hope you are enjoying, I hope you are loving these things. So I request you to please subscribe, and if you are liking, just like the video, and if you want to see any other collection, let me know in the comment section. I would be loving to bring those things that are loved by you. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for supporting me and watching me, and I will be bringing some crochet patterns in the future for all of you who are asking for patterns. So stay tuned, stay connected with me, watch all my videos for these things. I am planning to learn crochet. Take care, bye bye.